Unheard Truths. The meaning of drop eaves. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that might tickle your curiosity. Drop eaves. Often, English phrases carry meanings that aren't immediately clear from the words themselves, and this phrase is a perfect example. So, if you're ready to expand your English idiom knowledge, let's get started. Drop eaves is a bit of a mix-up of the common idiom eavesdrop. However, before we clear up this confusion, let's explore the meaning behind the correct expression. To eavesdrop means to listen in on a conversation that you're not a part of. It's often done secretly and without the consent of those speaking. The term originated from the space known as the eavesdrop, which is the ground directly beneath the eaves of a house where water drops from the roof. This spot was historically where one could stand to overhear conversations inside the house without being seen. Now, let's take a brief journey back in time. The act of eavesdropping dates back centuries and was once considered a serious offense in some cultures. In medieval England, there were even laws against it. The idea was that everyone had the right to privacy in their own home. If someone was caught eavesdropping, they could face legal consequences. This historical context adds a layer of understanding to the phrase and illustrates why it carries a negative connotation. To help you understand how to use eavesdrop in everyday conversation, let's look at some examples. I don't want to eavesdrop, but they're talking so loudly that I can't help overhearing. Eavesdropping on the meeting, she learned valuable information for her report. It's rude to eavesdrop on people's private conversations. Remember, while the mistaken phrase, drop eaves, isn't used, if you ever hear it, it's likely a mix-up with eavesdrop. I hope this explanation clears up any confusion and helps you understand the meaning behind and usage of eavesdrop. English is a language full of interesting expressions, and knowing them can enrich your speaking and writing. So, keep learning and don't be afraid to explore more phrases like this one. Until next time, happy learning and stay curious.